Words to make a woman feel sexy and attractive. Words can be a powerful thing, especially when it comes to relationships. You don't have to be a poet to make your girl feel sexy. The right words can make all the difference. You might think of yourself as a tough guy and not particularly romantic, but if you want to get your girlfriend or wife in the mood, then having some sweet things to say to her can be very effective. While it's important to be yourself when you're flirting with someone, there are a few phrases that can help you make a great impression. Here's a list of 20 phrases that can make a woman feel sexy and attractive. 1. You look beautiful. 2. You're the most amazing person I've ever met. 3. I'm having a great time with you. 4. You're so smart. 5. I love your laugh. 6. I think you're an amazing listener. 7. You have such a pretty smile. 8. I like how much passion you put into your work. 9. You're so good at what you do. 10. I think about you all day long. 11. I want to kiss every inch of your body. 12. I love being around you. 13. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. 14. You're perfect just the way you are. 15. I can't get enough of you. 16. I'm addicted to you. 17. I want to spend every minute of every day with you. 18. I love how good you smell. 19. Your eyes are amazing. 20. I love how you make me feel.